Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to replace objects in photos using Canva AI Magic Layers? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly replace objects in a photo using Canva Magic Layers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next, tap Magic Layers. Now select the photo you want to edit. Canva will begin processing your photo. This may take a few moments depending on your device and internet connection. Once the photo is ready, tap the object you want to replace. Canva will automatically select the object. For this example, I'll replace a newspaper with an image of fruit. Now tap Replace. Your gallery will open automatically. Select the image you want to use as the replacement. Canva AI will replace the selected object with your new image. Adjust the placement if needed until you are happy with the result. You can repeat the same steps for any other objects you want to replace. Once everything looks the way you want, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to share or download. For this example, tap download. Canva will process the image for a few moments. Once the export is complete, the image will be saved to your gallery. And that's how to replace objects in photos using Canva AI Magic Layers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.